Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on sticker gallery for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window, then you just click here on my information authorizations, then you come to next window here, then you just click here on system permissions, and you come to this window here, you just click here on storage, and you come to storage window, just scroll down here, and you come here to sticker gallery, and it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on this mark or this color, and like you see color is show for us, that means sticker gallery it's turned on now. So that's all you have to do to turn on this mark. I wish you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.